Welcome to lecture 2. So in this lecture, I'll be introducing the method which we'll use to solve puzzles. Before we introduce the method, I'll give us more word on visualization, namely spatial relations. Fine. So when a piece moves along a rank, it clears that rank in two diagonals, as can be shown in the diagram on the right-hand side here. So this pawn went up to e4. In order that this rank was cleared, and these two diagonals were cleared, and it moved on to a new rank and to two new diagonals. So recognizing this helps maintain full chessboard awareness. Actions apply to the edges. So you don't want to come to this diagonal, say, and forget, like on the edge of the board, there is a piece that was there attacking this particular square. So this might also help avoid beginner blunders or amateur blunders that typically occur. So continuing with this line of reasoning, so when a piece moves along the file, clears that file, and two diagonals, right? Understand this helps maintain full chessboard awareness, or exceptions apply to edge squares. So on the edge squares, there might not be two diagonals. Say, for example, on this corner square here, if a rook moves to b1, it just clears one file, one rank, and one diagonal. So let's see here, the rook moved from f1 to e1, so it cleared one file and two diagonals, and it entered a new file with two diagonals. So being aware of this, again, it helps prevent blunders. It helps improve spatial awareness, and visualization may improve as well. And finally, what happens when a piece moves along a diagonal? So when a piece moves along the diagonal, it clears one file, one rank, and one diagonal while establishing yourself on new files, massive diagonal. So in this case, the bishop went from c5 to p6, so it cleared c file, the fifth rank, and the diagonal from a3 to f8, and it established itself on a new file, rank, and diagonal here. So keep that in mind. So it still remains on this diagonal. Just an important note. And of course, edge cases, for example, the square on a1, for instance, right, is an exception to this rule. And finally, before moving on